circle, center, radius, circumference, diameter, circumference is pi d, chord, 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 arc, arc, center, central angle, angle at the center, central angle, area of circle, interior of circle, exterior of circle, and point on the circle. Minor arc, minor arc, minor arc, AXB is a minor arc. Major arc, major arc, AYB is a major arc. If it is a diameter, then this arc PXQ, this arc PXQ, QXP, the PAQ, the PBQ, this arc, if it is a diameter, endpoints of diameter, semicircular arc, semicircular arc, major arc, minor arc, semicircular arc. Now, length of arc, central angle, theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. It is a theta upon 360 times of the circumference. Theta is the central angle. This angle is called central angle theta. Area of sector. See here, this is a minor arc or any arc of the circle. Join these two ends with the center of the circle. Now this portion is called a sector, complete portion. Its area is what? Area of sector is theta upon 360 into pi r square. It is theta upon 360 times the radius of area of the circle. Next, segment. Segment of circle. This is our circle. This portion is called a segment of the circle. This portion is called a segment. Now, how the area of the segment or the shaded region is related. See here, first find the area of sector. Find area of the sector. And from this area of sector, find this, subtract this area of this triangle. So area of sector minus area of triangle will be area of this segment. Segment. Now, this is a central angle of the minor arc, lay PRQ. The remaining is the major arc. The measure of major arc will be 360 minus measure of minor arc. This angle is called the measure of the arc. This angle, central angle, is called the measure of the arc. Now, angle inscribed and angle intercepted. This is an arc. Consider one of the arc of the circle. This is arc of the circle. Say AXB, AXB, AXB. Now, if endpoints of this arc AXB, endpoints A and B, try to understand. A and B are joined to any point on other arc of the circle. This is minor arc, the remaining is the major arc. Any point on the other arc, any point, whatever may be this. This. Now, this angle, measure of this angle is always related with measure of this arc. Measure of arc, this is related with the central angle. So this angle is always half of this angle. This theorem is called inscribed angle. This is angle inscribed by this angle. This arc is inscribed. Yes. Next again. Inscribed and intercepted arc. Both are related with each other. This is a circle. If you have the arc AXB, and if we join these endpoints with say point D, and again join these two with another point say E, then these measures of these two angles will be equal. There are two ways. These two angles intercept the same arc, ek, and these two angles are inscribed in this major arc, same major arc. They are inscribed in the same major arc. The arc is covering the angles, so these two angles are called inscribed angle. And these two angles are intercepting the arc, so this is called an intercepted arc. Their measurement depends on this measurement of the angle. इसका जो central angle है उसके साथ related है, उसका half रहता है ये values. Again, angle inscribed in the semicircle is right angle, well-known theorem. Angle inscribed in a semicircle. This angle is always 90 degree. This angle is always 90 degree. Angle inscribed in a semicircle is right angle. These are some properties related with the circle and its arc. Again, if you have the two chords of the circle center, and there are two chords here, these are the two chords of this. If these two chords are parallel, what about their distances from the center? Equal and parallel chords on the opposite sides are at equal distance. If these two are parallel chords and these are parallel to each other and they are of equal length, then these two angles also same. Again, these two chords are at equal distance from the center of the circle. So many things are there. All of you familiar with this circle. Then one of important theorem of this inscribed angle. See here, this is a tangent of the circle. Touching to the circle at only one point is a tangent. This is called a intersecting line, secant line. Now, if you have the tangent and another line is a secant to the circle, this is a tangent secant. Now, measure of this angle is half of measure of this angle. Measure of this angle is half of measure of arc, this arc. Similarly, ये measure of जो arc है, major arc का half है. So this, इसका half angle होता है. Again, radius and tangent are perpendicular to each other. When there are two parallel tangents, if there are two parallel tangents to the circle, their end points are nothing but the diameter of the circle. Their end points are the diameter of the circle. Their end points are the diameter of the circle. Again, if we have a chord, one of the chord, and if we join midpoint of the chord, then the segment is perpendicular to chord and vice versa. So many things of circle we have. So many things. Circle is related with all these. Again, a cyclic quadrilateral. If you have this, and if you have the quadrilateral on the quadrilateral has a vertices which are on the circle. if all the four vertices of the quadrilateral are on the circle, then this is called a cyclic quadrilateral. So sum of these two angles is 180 degree, and sum of these two angles, opposite angles, are said to be supplementary. Opposite angles are said to be supplementary, and there are so many things related with this cyclic quadrilateral circle. Inscribed angle theorem, circle, arc of a circle. Again, if you have two circle or arc of two congruent arc, suppose there are two congruent arc. This arc is congruent with this arc, means their lengths are same. Then these two congruent arc will subtend equal angle at the centers. Arc of the two congruent arc of the same circle subtend equal angle at the centers, or wherever may be the arcs. Their measurements are same, equal measurements. Equal measurement. Equal measurement. Now, circumscribe the circle. See here, we have this triangle. Circle passing through each vertex of this triangle is called a circumcircle, circumscribed circle. And the circle touching each side of this triangle is called an incircle. So, inscribed circle and circumcircle for any polygon. See here, this is a quadrilateral. If the circle is passing through all the four vertices, then it is circumcircle, and the circle is touching all the four sides, then it is an inscribed circle. In rough way, remember all these things. Observe, inscribed and circumcircle. Two chords of equal length, parallel chords, are at equal distances. Inscribed angle theorem. And now we have a question. Let us come to our point. Before this, again one of the theorem, very important theorem. See here. If we have the tangent segment, see, this is a tangent segment, PT. PT is a tangent. And now see here. This is segment PQR. Then what is the relation between PT, PQ and PR? What is relation between PT, PQ and PR? The relation, tangent and secant property. Tangent and secant property. Can anybody tell me? Do you know the relation? PT square equals to, yes, very good. बहुत सही, Mandar. PT square equals to PQ into PR, yes. PQ into PR, yes. Very important. PT into PR. PT square equals to. Again, when, very important this was. Again, you have another chord, not diameter, chord. Say AB, intersecting at the point D, PQ is there. What is the relation? No, any relation? What relation is there? Do you know any relation? PD into QD is equals to AD into BD, barabar hai. Yes, internal division of chords. Very good, nice, बहुत सही, very simple. अब लोगों को मालूम है, very important thing. Intersect internally, yes, they should intersect internally. What happens if they intersect externally? What happens? Do you have anything? If they are intersecting externally, anybody has? Suppose I have X, D, C, B, and A. Whether we have any property? XBA, XBC. Yes. हाँ. मतलब also it is for external intersection. What is this? XB into XA is equals to XC into XD. बराबर है XB into XA, XC into XD. Very good. Now let us take a question on this. We have this. AB is 4. AB is 4. This portion is 4. BX is 6. BX complete 6. यहाँ से यहाँ तक. XD is 5. XD. Then what is length CD? बताओ अभी. CD बताइए. नहीं, फिर से सोचो. CD. This one. ये तो XC हुआ 12. हाँ, यस, वेरी गुड. मंदार. 7. देखो 6 और ये 4, 10 हुआ. 10 into 6 होगा ना. 10 into 6 will be 5 into CD. 5 into CX. 5 into CX. So CX will be 12. So CD will be 7. It will be 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 5 are 6 plus 4, 10. 10 6 are 60. समझ में आया? Okay. Good. Very good. Nice. Again, we have a question. So it will be revised. देखिए ये 45 डिग्री है, ये 45 डिग्री है, इतना ही दिया है। इफ इट इज 45 डिग्री तो ये डायमीटर है, सेंटर दिख रहा तो ये 90 डिग्री होगा ऐसा कंप्लीट। अगर ये 90 ये 45 तो ये 45 डिग्री हुआ, दिस वन एंगल ए। अगर एंगल ए 45 डिग्री है, एंगल ए और क्यू दोनों एक ही आर्क को इंटरसेप्ट कर रहे हैं, बोथ आर इंटरसेप्टिंग द आर्क पीबी, इसको इंटरसेप्ट कर रहे हैं, तो दोनों का मेजरमेंट सेम रहेगा, इसका 45 तो ये भी 45, दैट्स इट। हाँ हाँ बराबर था आपका, गुड। ए बी, ए बी जो है वो 5 है, ए बी, ये ऐसा डिस्टेंस आपको देखना, ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा। बी डी जो है 4 है, बी डी, ये बी डी, और सी डी जो है वो 9 है, सी डी लेंथ, सी डी इट इज 9, लेंथ सी डी जो है वो 9 है। तो आपको फाइंड करना है डीई, डी फाइंड करना है, व्हाट इज डी। नहीं, हाँ 12x 12 है, बट 12 कौन क्या है? डी 12 है, बराबर है, डी 12 है ना डी। देखो एडी निकालो पहले, एडी 3 आएगा, राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल है एडीबी, एडीबी में ए बी है, बी डी है, 5 और 4, तो एडी मिलेगा आपको 3। सुन लो एडी 3 मिलेगा, ए बी 5 है और ये बी डी 4 है, ये बी डी और ए डी, राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल ए बी डी में इधर ये छोटा राइट एंगल, तो उससे आपको एडी मिलेगा पाइथागोरस से 3, एडी 3 मिल गया, एडी इज 3, उससे आगे आप जाओगे। यस, सी डी भी आपके पास है, CD 9 है और BD 4 है. CD and BD. देखो ये दोनों का प्रोडक्ट, ये छोटे छोटे प्रोडक्ट, ये दोनों के बराबर आएगा. ये दोनों का प्रोडक्ट ये दोनों के बराबर है. राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल में इंटरसेक्ट कर रहे हैं और सर्कल में. तो 9 4 आर 36 एंड 12 3 आर 36. ये 12 आता है क्योंकि ये 3 आया है, ये 9 है और ये 4 है. खेल खत्म. राइट एंगल इंटरसेक्ट करते हो. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. थिंक और इट. आपके पास और कुछ कंसेप्ट होते. पैरेलल कॉर्ड्स. पैरेलल कॉर्ड्स. सेंटर है वो. These are the parallel chords. Who is the center of the circle? ये 24 है ये कॉर्ड और 18 सेंटीमीटर है. बोथ आर पैरेलल कॉर्ड्स. रेडियस जो है वो 15 सेंटीमीटर है. रेडियस इज 15 सेंटीमीटर. So what is the distance between the two chord is our question. What is the distance between the two chord? Distance between the two chord 30. क्वेश्चन है डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द कॉर्ड्स. एक 24 है, एक 18 सेंटीमीटर. एक 24 है, एक 18 सेंटीमीटर. रेडियस है 15. ये 24 है तो उसका हाफ हुआ 12. इसको इधर ज्वाइन किया. ये 15. पाइथागोरस है. 15 स्क्वायर माइनस 12 स्क्वायर. एटी वन. ये 3 होगा डिस्टेंस बिटवीन दिस सेंटर. अगेन ये दिस वन. और ये सेम पैरेलल है इसलिए दोनों जगह परपेंडिकुलर है. मतलब ये एक ही कोलिनियर हो जाएंगे तीनों. अब ये 18 है तो ये 9 होगा. अब ऐसा बनाइए. ये 15 है. 15 9. डिस्टेंस क्या चल रहा है. डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द टू कॉर्ड्स. अरे 18 है तो हाफ 9 हुआ. ये 15 है 9 है तो ये कितना हुआ. हाँ. ये कितना है. ये 3 नहीं है. ये 9 है. हाँ. ये कितना होगा. ट्वेल्व. ये 12 है तो ये कितना होगा फिर. 9. 21 सही आंसर है. ये 9 था और ये 12 है तो टोटल हुआ 21. पाइथागोरस से कीजिए. ओके. ये 5 का मल्टीपल है. ये 5 3 आर 15 है. ये 4 3 आर 12 है तो ये 3 3 आर 9 होगा. ऐसा किया मैंने. वैसे 5 3s are 15 है, 3 3s are 9 है, तो 4 3s are 12 है, तो ये 12 है और ये 9 है, कुछ सॉल्व ही नहीं किया। 21 is the distance between the chords। 1 2 3 4 5 क्वेश्चन हो गए। कोई डाउट किसी को? कैसे थे क्वेश्चन? Which? This one? Okay, 1 मिनट 1 2 मिनट रहता है। यस, हाँ इजी इजी इजी। नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में डिफिकल्ट हो। नेक्स्ट लेक्चर, हाँ यस। देखो ये ऐसा 18 है, रेडियस दिया है 15, सेंटर से डिस्टेंस निकालनी। ओके, ये पहले ये परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करो। क्लियर? 90 डिग्री, ये रेडियस तो ये 9 होगा, ये भी 9 होगा। ओके, अब ये 15 है, रेडियस 15, ये 9 है, 15 है, तो ये कितना निकालो पाइथागोरस से। 9 15 12, अब ये 12 सिमिलरली अगर ये 24 होता है 12, चलो रखो, ये 24 है तो ये क्या होता है 12, और ये भी 12, अब ये 12 है, ये 15 है, तो ये कितना होता है 9, तो 12 + 9 21, ये आपका आंसर। पैरेलल कॉर्ड थे, पैरेलल कॉर्ड है, इधर भी परपेंडिकुलर है और यही से भी परपेंडिकुलर है, पॉइंट सेम है, एक ही पॉइंट से दो परपेंडिकुलर है ऑपोजिट साइड में, तो तीनों पॉइंट कोलिनियर हो गए, एक ही लाइन पे आ गए। दिस इज द डिस्टेंस। यस यस, ओके ओके, ठीक है, आज के लिए इतना ही काफी होगा। कल ले लेंगे हम दूसरा लेक्चर हम अपने टाइम पे।
ओके सर।
ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
थैंक यू सर।
डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन ले लेंगे पर ज्यादा
आज सर का फास्ट
हाई
होते
लेवल।
सर ने पढ़ाया, आप लोगों के लिए इवनिंग में शेड्यूल किया आस्था डिफेंस एकेडमी तरफ से। सर का फास्ट है, तभी भी आपको सर ने पढ़ाया, पूरा लेक्चर लिया।